How to cancel direct debit on the Starling Bank app. So if you wish to cancel your direct debit on the Starling Bank app, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. First of all, you must make sure you have downloaded the Starling Bank application and then go ahead and then launch it. And this is a type of interface you will see. Tap on the Get Started button and you must log into your mobile banking account by tapping on Login as a returning customer. Once you've done that, if you want to cancel a direct debit, you must actually log in and then simply go to the payment option from there. Once you go to the Payments tab, tap on the Scheduled option, then select the direct debit that you want to cancel. From there, tap on Manage for iPhone users or the three dots for Android users. Then just tap on the option that says Cancel Direct Debit right over there, and just like that you can enter your password or your PIN to confirm and your direct debit will be successfully cancelled. This way you will be able to cancel your direct debit on Starling Bank. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.